Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SentinelOne for comprehensive security, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate SentinelOne for comprehensive security, begin by downloading the SentinelOne agent. Visit the official SentinelOne website and create an account if you don't have one. Log into your account and navigate to the Downloads section. Select the appropriate version of the agent for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your device. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. During installation, review the license agreement and accept the terms. You may need to enter administrative credentials for the installation to continue. Once the installation completes, the SentinelOne agent will automatically start. Next, you need to activate the agent using your SentinelOne console. Log into your SentinelOne console using your credentials. Navigate to the management page to locate your organization's API key. Copy the API key, as you will need it for activation. In the SentinelOne agent window on your device, find the activation field. Paste the API key into the activation field. Click the Activate button to complete the activation process. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the activation was successful. Once activated, ensure that the agent begins scanning for threats. Review the agent's settings to customize security preferences according to your needs. Regularly check the SentinelOne console for alerts and notifications. Stay informed about software updates and ensure the agent is always up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.